Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to dive into a really useful function in Excel that makes working with multiple conditions super easy. The name of the function is switch. Whether you're a beginner or advanced Excel user, switch will help simplify your formulas and save your time. So, let's jump right in. First, let's understand this example. Here, I have different product names and their profit margin. Requirement here is to display the profit category for these margins based on the condition given here. If the margin is greater than or equal to 25%, it is high profit. If margin is 15 to 24%, it is moderate profit, and if margin is 0 to 14%, it is low profit. After the category is displayed, I have to again display here the income tax percent because income tax differs based on the profit category. For low profit, tax rate is 8%, for moderate profit it is 12%, and for high profit it is 15%. In this case, we can use the switch function to display the profit category and income tax percentage. First of all, let's see what Excel says about this function. In this cell, let's press equals and type switch. Switch function evaluates an expression against a list of values and returns the result corresponding to first matching value. If there is no match, an optional default value is returned. Let's use the switch function here in this cell. Press equals, type switch, and open parentheses. In the expression, put the result of logical test that is true. Then put a comma. In the value 1 parameter, put the first logic for the high profit, which is profit margin should be greater than or equal to 25%. So, click on the profit margin, greater than or equal to 25%. Put a comma. Now, this true result will be compared with test result of this logic, and if a match is found, result will be picked up from this result 1. So, here type, double quotation, high profit, double quotation. Then put a comma. In the default or value 2, we have to check for the second logic for the moderate profit. For moderate profit, the profit margin should be 15 to 24%. You can express this as B4 is greater than or equal to 15%. Then put a comma. If this logic is true, then the result is moderate, so put here moderate profit between double quotes. Then put a comma. Now here in this default or value 3, put the third category, that is low profit. If both of these logics fails, the default value will be picked up, so put here low profit. And close the parentheses and hit enter. Here you see, for 8% margin, low profit is displayed. Use the fill handle to drag the formula down. All profit categories are displayed using the switch function. Now, to display the income tax percent based on profit category, again use the switch function. In the expression, click on the profit category displayed in the column C. Put a comma. Now, we have to compare the value in this C4 cell with this low profit, moderate profit, and high profit. Here in value 1, put double quotes, low profit, double quotes. Put a comma. If this cell contains low profit, then the result should be 8%. So here in result 1, put 8%. Then put a comma. In the default or value 2, put moderate profit between double quotations. Then put a comma. In the result 2, put this 12%. Now, the value in C4 cell will be compared with this low profit and moderate profit. If a match is found, result will picked from corresponding result. Now, put a comma. In the default or value 3, put the last income tax percent, which is the 15%. Close the parentheses and hit enter. Here you see for low profit, tax rate is given as 8%. Drag the formula down for other profit categories. For high profit, tax rate is 15%. For moderate profit, tax is 12%, and for low profit, tax is 8%. So, in this way we can use the switch function to check for multiple criteria and display the matching result. This function can be a good alternative to IFS and nested if function if you are using the Excel version 2016 and later. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting on that like button. Subscribe this channel to get similar tutorial in future. If you want to practice this function, Download the sample data file from the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. See you in next tutorial.